Airavatesvara Temple. The century-old temple is situated in Darasuram, a suburb of Kumbakonam in Thanjavur District of Tamilnadu. Airavatesvara Temple is one among the cluster of 18 medieval-era large Hindu temples in Kumbakonam area. This temple was built by Chola Emperor Rajarajan II and is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The Airavatesvara Shiva Temple has a water tank for which the water flows from a channel connected to the Kaveri River. According to mythology, Airavata, Indira's white elephant, was restored to a clean white skin after it took a dip in this holy tank. This legend is carved in stone in the inner shrine, and thereby the temple's nomenclature was established as Airavatesvara Temple. Devotees are believed to be devoid of their sins and get relief from any illness in life by taking a dip in this holy tank. The brilliance of Vastu architecture can be visualized in this beautiful temple complex. The temple is a splendor of art and architecture with exquisite stone carvings. The stone temple incorporates a chariot structure. Epics of Bharatiya ancient culture are visible all around the temple complex. The Agra Mandapa has ornately carved steps stretching from east to west. The steps leading to Bali Pitham in the east is intricately carved balustraded steps that produces a musical note. The singing steps is an unbelievable phenomenon of Chola architecture. During the Chola rule, the Chola kings built hundreds of Hindu temples across their empire. Of these 4 vast complexes of stone vimanas or pyramid-shaped towers, Airavata Temple is one among them. There are inscriptions in the temple. The inscriptions indicate the vastness of the temple complex and are also important in identifying the sculptures that were ruined and missing. The temple complex includes deities of Indra, Agni, Varuna, Vayu, Brahma, Surya, Vishnu, Saptamatrikas, Durga, Saraswati, and Shri Devi. Sculptures of river devatas Kaveri, Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Narmada can be worshipped here. There is also a small shrine for Parvati Devi, worshipped as Periyanayaki Amman on the western part of the temple complex. Airavatesvara Temple, which finds place in UNESCO's Heritage Site listing, is administered and maintained by Tamil Nadu's Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments Department. Airavatesvara Temple, apart from being a treasure marvel of Chola dynasty's rich cultural heritage, will stand testimony to the stunning architecture, intricate sculptures, and the vivid paintings is something to be seen and experienced in a lifetime.